Alex, wake up! It's already 6 a.m.
I'm still so tired. Can I sleep for 5 more minutes?
You always say that. We need to go for a run, remember?
Right. The morning run. But it's still dark outside.
Yes, it's a good time to run. The air is nice and the streets are quiet. You will feel great.
Okay, you are right. I will get my shoes.
Great! And I will make a good breakfast for us when we come back.
Okay, deal. But if I am very tired after, I want a big breakfast.
I promise. Now let's start our day.
You're so energetic in the morning. All right, let's go.
Excuse me, I'd like to have the bill.
Yes, sir. Here you are.
Can I pay with a credit card?
Yes, of course. Your card, please.
Here you are.
Thank you. One moment, please. Here is your card and your receipt.
Thank you. The food was very good. I will come back.
I'm happy you liked it. Thank you for choosing us. Hello, can I help you?
Hello, I want 12 red roses, please.
Okay, is it a gift?
Yes, they are for my girlfriend.
That's nice. Do you want paper or a box?
What is better?
The box is very beautiful.
Okay, the box, please.
Okay, do you want a card?
Yes, a small card, please.
Here you are. You can write on it.
Thank you.
Anything else?
No, that's all. How much is it?
It's $45. Card or cash?
Card, please.
Okay, here's your receipt. I hope she likes the flowers.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Goodbye.
Bye.
Hello, Lucy. I think you like Jason.
How do you know?
Oh, Lucy, everyone can see it. You always look at him.
Really? Okay, yes, it's true. And Jason told me he likes me too.
Wait, but Lucy, Jason has a girlfriend.
What? But he told me he is single.
Listen, Lucy, he is not a good person. You should stay away from him.
Okay, I will ask him about this now. I have good news.
You look very happy. What is it?
I have a new job.
A new job? Wow, that is great.
Yes, I am so happy. It is a marketing job.
When do you start?
I start on Monday.
That's very good. And the office?
The office is nice. It is on the top floor. I can see the city.
The top floor? Wow. Can you buy me coffee?
Yes, of course.
I'm taking a trip soon. Where should I stay? A hotel or a homestay?
Hotels are convenient. They have room service and might have a pool.
And a homestay?
A homestay is cheaper and give you a more local experience.
I see. A hotel is easy. But a homestay is more interesting. It's a difficult choice.
If you choose a hotel, always read online reviews to check if it's clean and safe.
Good idea.
Also, ask about hidden fees, like for parking. You don't want any surprises.
Wow, thank you for the help. I think I will choose a hotel.
Good choice. Have a fun trip.
Thanks.